What's going on YouTube? Today, or actually tomorrow, I really don't know what I'm going to be doing, but filming this to get a little intro going. So tomorrow either might mess around with dirt bikes or whatever. I'm hopefully going to film tomorrow's video with this as a gimbal. I actually got this from Craig for my birthday, so shout out to him. So I'm going to be using this a lot now, and hopefully my videos will look a lot nicer, because I was just starting to like figure out how to do everything, so this make the quality of my videos a lot better than they were originally. So shout out to him. So hopefully this does the channel good. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of body work on the Mustang. I'm going to be welding up some holes and stuff so we can start actually body working this car and painting it. And then showing you guys a couple of things on the car. And then also testing out some new camera equipment. As you can tell, this video is probably a little bit smoother than some of my other ones. So thank you guys, and I'm going to be pulling the car out here in a second. Well, I tried starting the car and the battery is actually dead, so I'm gonna need to pop the hood up in a second and get her going, so catch you guys in a minute. Well, what I'm about to do is touch this up, get a little more surface area out of it, and then I'm going to tape this section off, or the trim off actually. Come in here with the 2-inch grinder, sand this back down here so I can get some weld up in there too, because it's going to be a hard spot to work on, and my cousin's about to know that as well, for these very tight spots with the trim where the rust is. This is pretty difficult, and don't want to take the trim off because I don't want to mess it up either. So I'm just going to tape it off. And then moving over here, I'm actually going to be sanding out this entire area, probably a little bit after. Take the welder, get a little piece of metal in there, and then tack it up. So catch you guys in a second while I just step on my safety glasses. But yeah, I'm about to get all this stuff out, and then what I'm going to be using for the flatter areas is this wire wheel. It works really well, gets the paint off fast compared to this setup. But yeah, catch you guys in a second.
Since you left me alone, what can I do? I want to come back home. You gave up on me, you kept my freedom. Oh, let me be your nightmare syndrome. Say that love is a feeling to hate.
So I Ended up taking out the paint here and Bondo, trying my best to keep the metal all smooth and such, and that's why I was using the wire wheel, because it doesn't take as much metal out. But as you can see here, that little hole that I showed earlier did not seem super big, but once I got the paint down, it turned out that it was actually a lot bigger than it seems, so that's interesting. So that's going to be an interesting weld. Get up in there. This metal's pretty weak. Here it looks like just a lot of rust in here. All that's just weak. I like take it off with my finger. I'm going to make a cut here, which is a little template I made to stick in the circle, and take the cutting wheel and go from there. Just catch you guys in a second.
You know I'm angry. You broke up my dreams. I'm driving crazy by all those memories. You gave up our story, but I kept some. Oh, let me be your nightmare syndrome. They say that love is a feeling near to the head.
Well guys, end this video off. Ended up needing 25, 28-ish wire for the welder and a tip, so I'm gonna end this video here and then pick it up tomorrow. So this is going to be a two-parter, and then this next clip should be, or next video should be up around sometime later this week, but hopefully get this all welded up nice. It was just blowing holes like crazy, so that's why you see I'm like tacking a lot to keep the holes from being blown, and also gauge wire we're using is pretty big, so we're gonna tone everything down a little bit so we can weld that thin metal. So catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.